Welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha and today I'll show you how to make beetroot oats porridge. A very simple recipe this is, and put together with beetroot, which is rich in folate and magnesium and is great for anemic babies. Oats, which is easily digestible and has high amount of fiber. This both combination makes it a wonderful recipe to make, and you will not need more time to make this, so that is another advantage, right? And this mushy gooey porridge is very likable by children. If you think you do not want to offer texture, you can even blend it and offer, and this can be given to babies above 6 months. So let's dive right in and see how to make this. At first, let's see the list of ingredients required to make this beetroot oats porridge. In a wide pan, I'm adding some grated beetroot, followed by ghee. We will fry it for 2 minutes so that the raw smell of the beetroot is gone, and it becomes tastier with ghee when it is fried. I'm now adding oats here, and this step is again important so that oats is also well tossed here and it tastes well. I'm adding in water here, followed by coconut sugar for additional sweetness. This is nutmeg. Just a pinch of it, I'm grating it, the fresh nutmeg, followed by cinnamon powder. Bring in all the ingredients together. You can replace water with milk. This definitely is a gooey, mushy texture, but babies do love it. So cook it for a while, about 3 to 4 minutes, and then it is ready to be served. For younger babies, if you feel you don't want to give this texture at all, you can blend it to a fine puree, but not generally recommended. Babies can have this texture, it will really not get stuck in their throat. So please continue to offer this, and this tasty gooey beetroot porridge is ready to be served. This recipe, do check our other recommendation, which is apple, beetroot and carrot puree, ABC puree, famous as, and you can also check beetroot peas pulao. You can check curd oats khichdi and also chocolate oats recipe. These all recipes are something which can be made easily at home, and lot of varieties you can find on our channel. You can find the link to all of these in our description box. Do check them and consider subscribing to my channel for regular updates. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.